your Holy Spirit come and take control of every situation that has troubled my mind. All my cares and burdens onto you I roll. Jesus, Jesus, Jesus.
Sing to the Father,
Father, Father, come now, Holy Spirit, and take control. Hold me in your loving arms and make me whole. Wipe away all doubts and fears and take my pride. Draw me to your love and keep me by your side. Jesus, Jesus, Jesus.
sing to the Father,
Father, Father, give your life to Jesus. Let him fill your
let it
soul.
fill your soul.
Let him take you in his arms and make
He will make you whole.
as you give your life to him, he'll set you